Hey everybody, this is Scott with Power 360 Media, and the video that you're about to watch is actually part of a series of about 18, 19 videos that we put together a few months ago. Just kind of an introduction to what AI can do for your business. And what I've decided to do is to put all these videos up on YouTube so you can watch them for free. I'm going to put a link down in the video so you can download a lot of the free content that we have. We've got some PDF documents and things like that, some supplementals that will go along with this. Um, but just be advised, with the advancement in technology and software and things like that. These videos were created about 6 months ago. There's already been advancements. So when let's say you log into Chat GPT, now there's some newer versions that are not referenced in the video and things like that. But still, the idea here was to put together a course that's really going to give you a good insight to how you can use AI with your business. We put this course together for real estate professionals, investors, real estate agents, real estate brokers, but really you can tailor this to any business that you may have. So hope you enjoy this. We've got about 18, 19 videos here that I'm going to put in a playlist. I'll put the link down to of the playlist below. I'll also have a link for all of the free documents and supplementals. Hope you enjoy it. Do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe. That way you'll see when we post new videos about this. We'd love to hear back from you and see what we can do to help. Enjoy this introduction to AI and what it can do for your business. Thanks for watching.
All right, welcome everybody to revolutionize your real estate game. AI-powered marketing strategies revealed. So this is not just another course. It's really a radical transformation of your approach to real estate marketing, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to launch you miles ahead of the competition. So imagine your marketing efforts not only streamlined, but exponentially more effective by tapping into the power of AI to target the right clients, to create content, endless amounts of content, to hit those clients at the right time and with precision and accuracy, and to really make you stand out from the crowd. So this course isn't just about teaching you the tools of the trade. It's about really redefining the marketing trade itself. So in this course, I'm going to share with you some strategies that will save you a massive amount of time and drastically increase the quality and the quantity of your marketing. And as we go through this, you're going to get really excited about the potential of this technology. You're going to start to see the endless potential of the possibilities and even come up with some of your own ideas and things that are going to help you take your business to a higher level. So real quick, my name's Scott Stafford, and I'm a real estate broker here in Washington State. And I've been in the real estate industry for over 30 years. I've had the honor and the pleasure to coach thousands of people around the country on different forms of real estate, from real estate investing, business building, real estate agents. I've been doing that for over 10 years. I've been a public speaker on the subject and have spoken in 48 different states, and I'm only telling you this so you've got some confidence in me as your trainer as we go through this course together. It's my passion. I love teaching. I love real estate. So I am extremely excited to be here with you today. I had a lot of fun putting this course together, and quite honestly, I've had a lot of fun just learning this new technology, AI. It's something that I can't turn on the news or turn on my my Facebook feed without seeing something about AI. And I really just started to spend the last 2 months just really diving in and learning as much as I can, paying for courses, learning. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to share with you a lot of the things I've learned over the last couple of months in hopes that it's going to help your business grow, help you create more content, and save you time and honestly save you a lot of money. Was using so many different platforms that the more I dive into this, I can realize that I'll be able to eliminate a lot of the platforms that I've been using over the years and save me money. So
Everybody, just a quick break here. I wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means everything to us. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this content. And if you want to try out our free software, we've got a 14-day trial. It's a fully automated marketing and automation software that's built on the Go High Level platform, tailored to real estate professionals, tailored to home service professionals. We've got some great things that go above and beyond just what Go High Level offers, as far as also just the additional support that we have in training. So if you want to try that out, go to p360trial.com, and again, hit like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say thanks again for watching.
some of the problems that we face in this crazy real estate world is that we're not posting enough content on social media and other online platforms like blogs and things like that. And the content that we are posting is not allowing us to stand out from this massive sea of, other real estate agents, other real estate investors out there that are honestly doing the same thing. We're not following up with new and past customers as much as we should, using things like text messages, voicemail drops, email campaigns. So in this course, I'm going to share with you how to solve all of that and save a massive amount of time and money, as I said, and really help you stand out from the crowd and close more deals, which means more revenue for your business. So how many of you guys would like to have some more revenue coming in? I'm sure everyone on this call. So you're going to learn how to create unlimited content faster than you ever thought possible. And at the end of this course, I'm going to share with you a system that is absolutely going to blow your mind and automate the process like never before. So get ready. Let's just dive right into it.